Hello, good. For tonight, I want to show you my what I have done in our assignment. First, I want to show you the command on how to see the passwords of a user. For the first question, excuse, here we have set the password of Sally. Then I want to prove you the uh, the ownership or who owns the data one. It now is set to Janine in the finance group. Here is a way to see the users or a profile of a server. We can type cat tc. These are the uh, items that are connected to our server. This from this one from here to downwards. Yeah. Lastly, I want to show you that Sally has an access in data one. We can get it in this command get FACL. Now it's indicating here downwards that Sally can read, write, and execute. There's a question that asking me what file system rights does TED have for data one. For now, there is none because this is not yet configured. Second question, Bruce is belong to the engineering group, but but now Bruce reports that he can no longer access the M group. What are the possible two reasons? First, he can he was removed from the group, or the user is misspelled. That's why uh, he can access he can't access to the group. And third question, what are the two recommendations do you have for the management as they consider future data center upgrades? Sometimes the upgrades belong to the system or the hardware. It is uh, it is not common that the upgrade is for the users or the admins itself. Mm, I think uh, uh, it's focus. It's let's focus on the group. Give the permissions by group so that if there is an upgrade, you can update it uh, fast enough. That's all.